Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the French pronoun Y. Stay with me until the end to really master this important French grammar. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's begin. We use le pronom Y in two main cases, mainly to avoid repeating the same word, to replace a place or a location. For example, tu vas à Paris? Are you going to Paris? We can say, oui, je vais à Paris. I'm going to Paris. Or, oui, j'y vais. I'm going there. So, Y here means there. Second use, we use le pronom Y to replace a plus thing. For example, tu penses à ton avenir? Do you think about your future? We can say, oui, je pense à mon avenir. I think about my future. Or, oui, j'y pense. Which means, yes, I'm thinking about it. So, Y here means about it. We replace a plus thing with le pronom Y or the pronoun Y. But very, very important, we don't use Y for people. For example, je parle à Marie. Here, I'm talking to Mary. We don't say j'y parle, but we can say je parle à Marie or je lui parle. Lui here is an indirect object pronoun or le pronom complément d'objet indirect. If you don't know how to use it, I recommend watching my video. You can find the link in the description box. Some verbs are almost always used with Y. You should memorize them. For example, penser à, s'intéresser à, aller à, répondre à. Tu penses à ton avenir? Do you think about your future? Oui, je pense à mon avenir. Oui, j'y pense. Here, instead of à mon avenir, we replace it with le pronom Y before the verb. Oui, je pense à mon avenir. Or, oui, j'y pense. J'y here is je plus le pronom Y. S'intéresser à. Tu t'intéresses au projet? Are you interested in the project? Oui, je m'intéresse au projet. Yes, I'm interested in the project. Or, oui, je m'y intéresse. I'm interested in it. Y here comes before the verb and after le pronom réfléchi me. Me plus Y, we pronounce it me. Oui, je m'y intéresse. Always le pronom Y before the verb and after le pronom réfléchi. Like me, te, so, nous, vous. Aller à. Tu vas à la bibliothèque? Are you going to the library? Oui, je vais à la bibliothèque. Yes, I'm going to the library. Or we can say, oui, j'y vais. I'm going there. Again, le pronom Y before the verb. Répondre à. For example, tu réponds à ce message. Are you responding to this message? Oui, je réponds à ce message. Yes, I'm responding to this message. Or, oui, j'y réponds. Yes, I'm answering it. I'm responding to it. Instead of à ce message, replace it with le pronom Y before the verb. That was our lesson for today. I hope from now you know how to use le pronom Y and how to make sentences with it. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video. Have a wonderful day. À la prochaine.